Good morning and happy Monday. We're here in Allentown, 6-minute drive from my house, right up the mountain. Doing a heat pump. We got a extra set of hands today, a new guy, so hopefully this is goes along swimmingly. Stay tuned. Heat pump today. Old system. All right, well, we had to remove a dehumidifier. So, a little patchwork there. This is where the new unit's gonna go. We got our 100 amp right there. I'm gonna clean up this area a little bit and get ready for the new one in a high sense. So I'm going to be doing the wiring. I'm gonna fix that a little bit. That's fine. Got a little carried away, but I gotta splice my outdoor wire. Just not long enough, and so heat kit is installed. I gotta wire that up. We got our 100 amp service here. Dylan's gonna take care of the duct work. Yeah, so we're moving along. It's just a big spaghetti monster of wires right now. All right, got the low volt done. Like I said, I had the splice, so ran the wire in. There's a wire harness in the board here, so this connects into the for both the indoor and the outdoor, or the thermostat and the outdoor unit. And so power is here. After that's done, we just hook up the heat kit. Like I said, again, the wires here, so everything is going to be powered through the breakers here. So stay tuned for that, and we'll get her cracking here. The change of plan. I took that other wire out of there. I had to run 8 wire in. Now everything is hooked up. Let's start the brazing, then to the condensate. All right, well, that's everything. Did everything today but the duct work. We all the wires are nicely tucked in there. That is an abandoned water line that we had nothing to do with. New line run. But yeah, she's all done, and high sense in, happy customer. Catch you on the next one. That's all, folks. We're done today. Cole did the outdoor. Dylan and I tackled the inside air handler. He did the duct work. I did everything else. Great experience for me to get stuff done. We fired it up. It worked right the first time. Wiring was good. Everything was tight. Clean install. I will say that I am not happy with the way the condensate turned out. Had it all fitted up and everything, realized one of the pieces had a crack in it and had to rip it off. And just the way it was glued, had to change it. So it's not to my liking. I mean, it's functional, it works, but just not the visual that I wanted to present. But that's on me. So I also know what you guys are thinking, but you guys use duct board. Well, this job was quoted for a certain thing, or a certain amount and a certain scope of work, and you know, things get chipped away, you know, as these wheeling and dealings happen. And instead of rebuilding the return, we reused it. So there was a little bit of patching we had to do. But those be the breaks, man. We do what's on the scope of work, and if we can do a little extra without going overboard, we do. But some things our hands are tied. But I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.